Have you ever woken up dreading your workday, wondering if what you do really matters? Or maybe you've asked yourself, how can I honor my faith while navigating deadlines, meetings, and workplace drama? Stay tuned till the end because I have some great advice, not just for Christian, for anyone. This is a great takeaway. Let me tell you, transforming your work life with faith and is not just possible, it's powerful. And it starts right here, right now. Hi, everyone. I'm Marisol, Christian HR leader and entrepreneur. Welcome to my channel where we talk about purpose and living your best life, both personally and professionally. Both. Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to my heart: how to transform your work life by aligning it with your faith and living with a deeper sense of purpose. I've been there, feeling stuck, overwhelming, questioning how to make my faith more than just a Sunday routine. Over the years, I've discovered practical ways to bring God's truth into the workplace and see it impact not just my work, but the people around me. Redefining work through faith. First, let's redefine what work actually means. Colossians 3:23 says, "Whatever you do, work it with all your heart as working for the Lord, not for a human master." Remember that. You're working for the Lord. Think about that for a moment. This verse transforms work from a daily grind to an act of worship. Whether you're answering emails, leading a team, or managing a tough client, your work is meaningful because you're ultimately doing it for God. Yes, you heard me correctly. Ask yourself, how can I do my task today with excellence, knowing I'm serving a higher power? Here's an important truth. Living out your faith at work doesn't mean preaching to your coworkers or having Bible verses plastered everywhere. It's about reflecting Christ through your actions. Show kindness. In a tense situation, be the person who listens when someone's struggling. Lead with integrity, even when it's hard. These small acts of faith speak louder than any words ever could. Let me share a quick story. Early in my HR career, I had an employee come to me in tears over a mistake they made. I could have reprimanded them. Instead, I paused and prayed for wisdom and responded with grace. That moment didn't just fix the issue, it built trust and transformed our work relationship. You hear me, guys? It transformed our work relationship. That is crucial. And unfortunately, it doesn't always work that way, let's be honest. But as long as you put your best foot forward, anything is possible through Christ. Many people think purpose is about having a big, flashy title, but the true purpose comes from asking, how does my work serve other? I speak about it. Servant leadership is really important. You may be a teacher shaping young minds or a customer service rep solving problems. Every role has a purpose when you see it through God's eyes. If you're unsure of your purpose, pray about it. Ask God to show you. Ask God to show you how your unique skills and personality can make an impact right where you are. Of course, living out faith and purpose at work isn't always easy. You're faced with difficult coworkers, ethical dilemmas, or just plain burnout. When these moments come, lean into prayer. Do you hear me? Lean into prayer. I keep a simple prayer journal. Anytime I'm feeling overwhelmed, I write out my worries and surrender them to God. It's incredible how His peace shows up when we invite Him into our work. It's incredible how He shows up just in time. James 1:5 reminds us, if any of you lack wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously. He gives generously to all without finding fault. Trust me, He will guide you. Finally, if you're in leadership, if you're in a leadership position, you have an incredible opportunity to build a faith-filled culture. Create an environment where people feel valued and supported. Be transparent and honest. Celebrate others' success. As leaders, we're called to serve, not just direct. When you lead with faith, your influence can ripple out to transform your workplace in a way you might not even see. I'm telling you, I'm about to start preaching. Take one step transforming your work life with faith and purpose. You hear me? Maybe it's starting your day with prayer or showing grace to a coworker. That's always important. Whatever it is, invite God into your work and watch how He moves. If this video resonates with you, I'd like to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment below about one way you're bringing faith into your workplace this week. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join me for more faith-driven content. Remember, we were made for more than just clocking in and out. When you align your work with God's purpose, your 9 to 5 becomes part of your eternal story. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.